Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today's April 17th, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Basically in these sessions each morning at around 8 a.m. New York time, I share the trades I'm placing, the adjustments I'm putting on to existing positions I have in the markets, all to help us learn. If you have any questions, anything I'm presenting is unfamiliar to you, check out InformedTrades.com. We have a huge archive of learning material there. Check it out, register, share your knowledge. We can all learn together. Let's take a look at the charts and the trades I've got on at the moment. Okay. Basically, I have 6 trades on at the moment. 4 of them are not at break even. 2 of them are. So basically, I have risk exposure on 4 of my 6 trades, which is sort of my maximum risk tolerance. So I won't be putting on any new orders until one of my orders gets closed out, or I can move an addition one of my orders that's currently not at break even to break even. Okay, so let's take a look at the orders where I'm already at break even, meaning my stop has the move has the price has gone in my favor, and I can move my stop to my entry point. Okay, pound Kiwi is actually one of those. We're looking at it now. Pound Kiwi, I entered here at this black line. My stop was at this red line. Now I actually broke my rules a little bit here because what I would like to see is price close at or above this dashed orange line, which is a support level of sorts. The target profit, incidentally, is all the way up here. But now yesterday we did peek through it. Today we are above it. However, we're also running into the 50 simple moving average, the 200 exponential moving average, and this resistance level here, this line. Let me actually change the color on that. I'll make it something here, that color. Okay. So we're running into that resistance level. So in light of all these factors, I thought it would be okay. And most importantly, I have a position on Canada Swiss that got filled. So I don't want to have more than I don't want to have more than 4 positions where my stop is not a break even. So I move that to I move this one to break even because we're pretty close. We're running up at some key resistance levels. This is actually a tempting level to take some profits off, which I might do, but I'll probably wait till there's some resistance sign first. But that's basically the position where I'm at now. So I did deviate a little bit from my trading plan by moving my stop to break even, but I think it was okay and warranted in this particular case. Okay, there's also pound yen, which is also my other order that's at break even. Pound yen, I've been in this trade for a while. I got filled right around here in this accumulation zone here, this trading range here. Price then moved up, it rallied, it closed above this dashed orange line. I moved my stop from below here to break even. And my target profit, with all the yen positions I have on it, I mentioned this daily, I'm looking to hold yen, my short yen trades for quite some time. My target profit is about 2,000 pips away. So if this position goes in my favor, I expect to hold it for months. And my goal is really to safely, and that's the key word there, safely, build as large of a short yen position as I can and ride that for the bulk of the trend that I can, the largest chunk of the trend that I can. The reasons for being short the yen economy, in addition to technical reasons, are there's a lot of fundamental information or a lot of fundamental issues with the Japanese economy. InformedTrades.com/Japan. You can find out more about that. Check that out if you're interested in the long-term fundamental economy that's bearish on the yen. So those are 2 trades I have on that are at break even. Now I have 4 trades that are not at break even. So if my stop gets hit on these 4 trades, I will lose money. Fortunately, though, all 4 of those trades are currently in the money. So that's doesn't mean they cannot reverse, immediately. But at least for now, the time of this, broadcast, they're they're doing okay. Canada Swiss, this one just got filled, and the filling of this order is what inspired me to deviate from my system a little bit and move my pound Kiwi position to break even slightly ahead of schedule. Canada Swiss, I entered at this black line. My stop is here. My target profit is here. This black line, we have a confluence of issues, a 50% Fibonacci ratio from Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low to the swing high. We have the 50 simple moving average here. The candlesticks are also, it looks like one could argue it's a bullish checkmate going on, which you can see more clearly on the 4-hour chart. Right, so let's see if the market respects this level here as a support level. So in any event, just waiting on Canada Swiss. Another order I have on is Euro Australian dollar. Okay, and we see that order has rallied a bit overnight. We are now, this is my entry level. This is my target profit. How do I move this out of the way? Oh, I know. Yeah, okay. This is my target profit all the way up here. And still ways to go before I can move my stop to break even. Want to close at or above 49.96, basically 50. So we still have about 40.73. We have about 220 pips or so to go from where we're currently at. But that's Euro Aussie. Hopefully this is the low here, and the 200 exponential moving average continues to act as support. We'll see. Euro yen is the other one. This ties into my desire to, shorting yen is my favorite trade. If I can safely do it, and if it meets all the criteria, I'll definitely look to put on a short yen position. This rallied a little bit, getting closer to the point at which I can move to my stop to break even, which is this dashed orange line. And if we zoom out to the monthly, we can see the target profit all the way up here. And dollar yen is another one. So with these yen positions, even though my profit target is so far away, with dollar yen and pound yen, it's over 2,000 pips away. I'll move my stop to break even well before that. So that will sort of take the risk off the table. We're getting close to 102.65. So it's hold on a second. Right now we're at 101.70. Oh, where are we? 102.17. So we're basically 45 pips away. If we can close 45 pips away higher today, I'll move my stop to break even. And then that gives me the opportunity to pursue other trades. So even though these yen trades, I'm going to be in them for a while, they're not actually tying up capital because I'll be able to move them to break even reasonably quickly. I think that's an important point when you're evaluating, the time, cost, and money, and how long you want your capital to be tied up. If you're able to move to break even, that in a way frees up the capital so that you can still benefit from the upside and not have exposure, not have your capital at risk, just tied up and unable to put on additional trades. You can still put on additional trades. That's sort of it, basically. I have, my 4 positions on. I'm not going to put on any other positions until I can move one of those 4 to break even. Of course, pound yen and pound Kiwi are already at break even. Pound Kiwi, let's see if there's any reversal signs on that. Might take some profit on that if there are. That's about it. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. Register, share your knowledge, participate. We can all learn together. Thanks, and best of luck in your trading. See you tomorrow.